Restores DWR water repellency and revives breathability of all waterproof garments. For use on all waterproof outerwear, such as rain and ski jackets, and synthetic sleeping bags. Spray on application. Recommended for technical clothing, synthetic sleeping bags, rain and ski jackets, GORE-TEX, Patagonia, North Face, Columbia, and Arc'teryx. Water-based, non-persistent, and contains no PFCs, VOCs, optical brighteners, or added scent. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. I am using this for re-waterproofing my rainproof horse sheets, blankets. I get my radiator type heater underneath the blanket hung or suspended between two high back chairs or whatever you have. Make sure you have at least 1 to 2 feet on all sides for fire, burn safety, and once laid as flat as possible above this, with the sides of blanket hanging down and heater underneath it, just spray it on. I do spray it thoroughly and wait a couple of minutes to watch for drops forming and rub them in with my fingertips, as I want to get a really good coat on and I am not wasting one drop. I let this sit in my tack room overnight and in the morning the whole blanket is dry and the waterproofing is cured and ready to go. This will last for a couple of dozen uses of all-day rain or snow when used on my horses out on open pasture, then I need to redo it again. I live in Northwest Washington State and it really comes down for hours on end, but in other conditions the waterproofing effect may last a lot longer, but here it really gets put to the test. Especially this winter, 2017.